So here I'm showing you a way to have a multi-scene game with random scene order. So this is a sample. I'll press play, watch the middle here. So this will have a random series of 3 scenes. To get to the next scene, I press this button. This one is the green scene. This one's the blue scene. This one's the yellow scene. I don't have another scene, so if I try to advance now, it'll give me an error message. To get the starter package, it's bit.ly/chem with Unity. That'll take you to the Google Drive with has the starter projects or starter packages. This one is called the Scene Randomizer package. So start there, download it, and import it into your Unity project. So once you've installed the starter package, you should be able to open scene, and in the scenes folder there should be intro scene with randomizer. So open that, and it should look like this. Then upper left, file, build settings, and add this scene to your build settings. If you already have something in build settings, you want this intro scene to be the first one. So you push it up and then make sure it is index 0 in the list of scenes in build. So for this to work, you need to have built several scenes, and then up here in the upper left, file, build settings. You need to have put the scenes that you built into the build settings in some kind of order. So if you're not here on this intro scene yet, get there so we can talk about how to use it. There is a game object called Scene Randomizer, and it has a Scene Randomizer script. For this to work, you need to tell it in the script, in these public variables, the lowest and highest index values for the scenes you want to randomize. So here in build settings, these numbers on the right are the index values for the scenes in the build. So you can see I have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So if I want to randomize all 4, then over here in the script I say the minimum, the lowest number is 1, the highest number is 4. I want to randomize all 4. Number of scenes in the set. So it's possible that you only want 3 scenes in the set to be played by the user, and this will then choose a random 3 in random order from 1, 2, 3, and 4. So you don't have to have this number on the bottom be the same as the number of scenes you've put into the build. Alright, so this should give me just, let's see, let's do it 2. So this should just give me 2 scenes. So I'll press play now. And now you can see on the right that there's a sequence of scenes. It's going to do 3, index 3 first, index 2 second, and it left out 1 and 4. So now if I press advance, this is scene 3, this is scene 2, there isn't any others in this set. Okay, so that's how you use the public variables to get what you want. If you don't want random, then you can deselect the scene randomizer. And now it should just advance in the order that you have in the build settings. So build settings are 1, 2, 3, 4. I believe this is blue, green, yellow, pink. So now if I press play and advance, it's blue, it's green, it's yellow, it's pink, and you can see in the console that it's saying it built them in, it showed them in order. 1, 2, 3, and 4. The button, this advance to next round, is important. And so it's attached to the canvas in this intro scene. If you want it to work with your scenes, you'll need to add the button to your scene. So this sample scene doesn't have anything on it, but it does have the advance button attached to the canvas for that scene. It is possible that you want this advance button to only appear when the user has finished this round, and therefore you'll need to have something in your script that tells it, okay, round is done, user completed the task, now make this advance to next round button active so that they can proceed them to the next round.